In the future, I'd love to say, flying cars, but, one, that's cliche. Two, I've seen the way people drive in the D.C. area, and I do not want to see them working in the up and down aspect also. But the future is really going to be wrapped around mobility. And I say wrapped because mobile capacity is going to completely change the way everything's happening. You're going to see that blurring that I talked about before between where I work and what I do with my family.
Right.
Do I have to come into the office? Can I do something somewhere else? And people are going to be a lot happier when they do that. And when you get happy people, you get productive people because they don't object to spending time doing some work or squeezing in a couple of extra things here and there. Access is going to be completely role-based and along the who, what, when, where, why, and how of security.
Right.
Who I am, what I do, when I'm allowed to do it, where I'm allowed to do it, what I'm working on, and how I'm accessing it. So if I'm in British Columbia, Canada, working on my mobile device at 3 o'clock in the morning, it's going to understand off the bat whether I can get into that or not and give me those kinds of permissions. And that's an enormous security implication. That's absolutely something fantastic. Government is going to become more efficient and they're going to become less expensive. Because as you get out of working in an office space, you reduce your heavy infrastructure costs in buildings and networks. You reduce your power demands. You reduce your paper demands, so my physical structure. And at the same time, you're going to become more green. So that's a huge benefit to the government. This is an amazing opportunity for them. And I'm really, really looking forward to them seizing this and taking advantage of it.
That's well